Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I am coming on to share this with you. A few weeks back I did a Temu haul. This was a part of the haul. I got it for the tubes in the kitchen, particularly my tomato tube, my tomato puree. That's what I really got it for, because the toothpaste, I mean, I've been using toothpaste for years, do you know what I mean? And I never really had any problem with the tubes as such. But this, I really wanted it for this. But what's happened is it's too small. And unfortunately, I cannot use it for this, my tomato purees. I can use it for this tiny toothpaste. I normally get these from my dentist when I go. He gives these to me, and these little ones, and these are perfect for it, right? But my poor tomato puree tube, I cannot get it on there. It's too big. Even this one is fine. This is my regular one that I use every day. And I'm happy with that. Let's see about this one. Yeah, so really, in all fairness, it's made for specifically for the toothpaste tube. But there is a variety of tube squeezers on the market, and I will keep on looking to see if I can find one for my tomato puree. I have done this video for just Donna Maria. When I did the haul for this, she asked if I would give an update of, you know, how it's working out. So let me measure this in centimeters. This is, let's say, just under 6 centimeters. And let's say 2¼ inches. Right. So it is too small for my tomato puree tube, but it does fit all the toothpaste tubes, which it's not bad. I mean, I'm not going to really need it for my toothpaste, but at least I've got it, so I'll just keep it somewhere in the bathroom. But I'm going to be on the hunt for my tube for the tomato puree, and this is I would say this is about just under 6½ centimeters and 2½ inches. So that's what I've got to look out for, 2½ inches of that. So that is it. That's the gist of it, lovies. I'm going to hunt this one down, the size for this, because this is what I really want it for. Because it's so annoying when you're using it. It is really annoying. I do normally roll it with my hands, but it can get really annoying. So anyway, I hope this has helped. If you do find a wider one, 2½ inches at least. Yep, 2½ inches, or it could even be a little bit bigger. That's no problem. It's better if it's bigger. If you find anything online that can help me out, please let me know. I would be so grateful. I also wanted to share this picture frame that I got for my masterboard I participated in Masterboard Madness last month, and that was hosted by Hazel Annika Designs, and it was amazing. I really enjoyed myself, and this was the masterboard that I did for Archie, and I ordered a picture frame for the masterboard to go into, so that came, and I'm just gonna quickly get it opened and see if we can get him into this frame, because it would be a shame just to keep it lying around in the craft room. It isn't glass, and that I don't mind that one bit. And let's just get these opened. Daisies. These can be such a nuisance at times, right? How do they expect you to... That's going to break my nail. I know that for sure. That's going to break my nail. Okay. I'm having problems with my nails at the moment. I ordered some Sally Henson calcium nail hardener, so that's on its way to me, and I can't wait to get that so I can clean these off and use it for a while and see how that goes. Right, so if we put that in, that, the film on this isn't there. Please remove the protective film on both sides of the styrene before use. Let's see if we can get that off. And this side as well. Right, so that'll go into its frame, and then let's get Archie's picture in. Ooh. Oh, this is exciting, very nice. And let's put the backing on. I got this from Amazon. I think it was £10. £10. £10.90p or something like that. I decided to do a gallery wall in my hallway. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sorry about the light. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at the boy. Look at him. Oh my goodness. So that is that. Oh, lovely. It turned out lovely. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.